this problem, we're given an arithmetic progression and we're told that the sum of the first 10 terms is equal to 50 and that the fifth term is 3 times the second term. We want to find A, the first term and the common difference, and B, the sum of the first 20 terms. So for part A, we're given some information, and typically with a problem which we need to find the first term and the common difference, we're going to be setting up two equations and then we're going to solve them simultaneously. Once we have those, then we can use the value of the first term and the common difference to find the sum of the first 20 terms. So let's have a look at this information and see what we can extract. So we're told to start with that the sum, so for part A, the sum of the first 10 terms is equal to 50. And we're also told that the fifth term is 3 times the second term. So those are the two bits of information that we can use to create some equations. So looking at the first part, for the sum of the first 10 terms, if that's equal to 50, let's substitute and use the formula. We have 10, which is our number of terms, over 2, times 2a plus n minus 1, so in this case 10 minus 1 times d. We know that that is equal to 50. Simplifying this a little bit, you have 5 times 2a plus 10 minus 1, which is 9d, is equal to 50. And if we divide both sides by the 5, we can say that 2a plus 9d is equal to 10. That is going to be our first equation. Looking at the second part of the information that we've got then, so these are going to use the nth term expressions. And as a reminder, our nth term, un, is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So that's our expression we're going to use. So for u5 then, we have a plus 5 minus 1, which is 4d, is equal to 3 times, for u2, a plus 2 minus 1, which is 1, so a plus d. So a plus 4d is equal to, if we expand, 3a plus 3d. A little bit of rearrangement says that d is equal to 2a. And that is going to be equation 2. Now, because we've got d in terms of a there, we can substitute the second equation into the first. So we're going to sub 2 into 1, such that 2a plus 9 times 2a is equal to 10. 9 times 2a is 18a plus the 2a there, which gets us 20a is equal to 10, and therefore a is equal to a half. Now if we substitute this value into equation 2, we can say d is equal to 2 times a half, which is equal to 1. So just tidying up there, we can say that our first term is equal to a half, and the common difference, our d, is equal to 1. So that ends part A. We can then use those values to find part B, which is the sum of the first 20 terms. So we need to get our information here. First of all, we're looking for when n is equal to 20. Our first term a is a half, d is equal to 1, and then we just need to use the summation formula for the first 20 terms. Substituting in, you have 20 over 2 times 2 times a half plus 20 minus 1 times 1. 20 over 2 is 10, 2 times a half is 1, 20 minus 1 is 19 times 1 is still 19, 1 plus 19 is 20 times 10 gets us 200. So therefore the sum of the first 20 terms is equal to 200. And that is how we solve this problem.